Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making kare-kare. All ingredients and measurements are in the description below. Boil oxtail at high heat for 10 minutes, then rinse. Add clean water and add salt, then boil to medium heat for 2.5 hours. Pressure cook the beef tendon for 45 minutes. Roast the rice flour by using small pan. Mix until golden brown. Cut the end off your bok choy. Inspect to make sure all leaves are clean. Cut green beans and eggplant into 2-inch sections. And cut half an onion. Crush and slice the garlic cloves. Put your peanuts into a food processor. Process to a smooth consistency. Now start sautéing the vegetables. Add olive oil into a pan and sauté the green beans. And add the eggplant and mix. Sauté green beans for a minute or two, then add your eggplant. You can add shrimp paste to add layer of flavor to the vegetables. You can skip this if you don't like. Bok choy and steam for 3 to 5 minutes. Add water if needed. Set aside the vegetables. Now let's start making the sauce. Sauté onions and garlic into the same pan. Sauté it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Add a little olive oil, then add annatto or achuete powder. Dissolve the powder into the olive oil. Then start sautéing all together. Add the peanuts, then sauté for a minute. Beef broth, then boil for 3 minutes. You can add more water if you like. Add fish sauce or salt to taste. Add the roasted rice flour slowly to thicken the sauce until you reach the desired consistency. Boil for 2 minutes, then start adding your protein. Mix and make sure the sauce is covering the oxtail and beef tendon. Boil for 2 minutes, then add your vegetables. You can add more water if the sauce thickens. Turn off the heat, then serve. Kare-kare is usually served with steamed rice and shrimp paste. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.